What's up guys, Brandon here from the 7.3 Garage. We got a really cool new product we're going to be showing you a very brief install and review on today. So this is the Edge CTS Insight Plus. What this is going to do for the diesel market is revolutionary to say the least. This is not just strictly for Ford Powerstrokes, this is also for the other two major brands, Duramax and Cummins, and for multiple different year applications. What this is going to allow us to do is for those of you that want to tune your 7.3 Powerstroke but you're not really sure which way to go, and if you're not really interested or have the know-how or confidence in installing a chip onto the computer, this gives you a seamless installation, literally a plug-and-play operation that I'm going to go through briefly and show you guys how that works. So I'm going to show you what this includes in the kit in the truck. We already have the cable run and the suction cup installed on the windshield, I should say. And we're going to show you how to get the tunes on the truck and show you how easy it is to get this on one of your trucks. I'm going to show you what's included in the box here. If you already have your hands on a Edge CTS 3, the Insight Plus is very similar. There's no changes in the actual monitor itself and what's included in the box. So we've already have our cable run. Again, this is on a 2003 7.3 Powerstroke. Comes included with an OBD2 cable. That's an HDMI input. We simply plug it in under the dash in the OBD2 port and run it up and get it to where we're going to be sticking our gauge here. And it also comes with a suction cup. You guys will see when we get this thing mounted up. So the installation for this is as easy as plugging in your new monitor and getting it locked in onto the suction cup and wherever you'd like it. You can run it up top or in the middle. Some people like to put it on their dashboard, but that's all user preference. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the tunes from your tuner of choice onto the device, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you go to tune the vehicle. As you can see on my screen here, I have all the tunes that have been downloaded already from Brian that he sent over to us. So all you're going to do simply is drag and drop over to the main drive when it's plugged into the computer, and give this a second. You guys will see on this monitor here, it'll start to load and it'll say that the file has been loaded successfully. Once the file's been loaded just like this, and you guys can see it matches here. Here's your PCM code, or the code for the tune says it's successfully been loaded up. We're good to go. We can continue to load all these tunes on. I'm gonna get the rest of the tunes on here. We're gonna get it plugged in the truck. I'm gonna show you what our next step's gonna be. This is gonna be the home screen here once you guys get this installed. The device may ask you to update. Go ahead and do that. You're gonna need a Wi-Fi source of some sort so you can get the device updated, and once you get the program downloaded on your computer, you can do updates as well inside the house if you don't have Wi-Fi that extends outside. So this is what the main screen is going to look like. You have our gauges screen here, but what we're really focusing on right now is just the tuning. So as you guys saw earlier, we loaded the tunes onto the device. The only downside to this that I found is it's a little more time consuming. Those of you that run a Hydra chip or a TS chip, everything is on the fly. This, however, is not. But again, it's very user friendly that if you have someone who doesn't want to install a chip or not confident or has the tools, things I've mentioned earlier, this is a great option because it allows you to install the tune yourself. There's no cutting wires, there's no taking things apart. It's literally plugging and playing. So it takes a minute here to get the vehicle information. And follow the prompts on the screen here. I'm going to put the key in the ignition and just go ahead and tap the screen. And this should give us the option to select our custom tunes that you saw we uploaded. We're gonna go ahead and pick our tune that we want to do. So let's say we want to do Extreme Street. It does give you the option to change tunes as well. I don't want to get too involved with this to make the video very long. But basically you can change the idle speed, the shift points, the RPMs when the transmission shifts, a lot of interesting stuff. So here's the tunes that we're gonna do. We have no adjustable parameters changed, so it's just gonna show us NA. I'm gonna go ahead and accept and install that. This is gonna go through some prompts, just follow them again. And it's gonna go ahead and write our tune. This takes anywhere between 2 to 5 minutes to install. And once it's done, I'll show you what we're gonna be looking like when we start the truck up. Tune has been uploaded. You guys can see here, it just says your vehicle has been successfully tuned. Press continue, return to the main menu. So at this point, the vehicle is now tuned. We can go ahead and click on our gauges screen. You can pick all these gauges out here that you can see. If you guys are using the CTS3 device, all the commands and prompts are the same as far as changing all your tunes and things like that. So our tune has been written. As you can see, the vehicle started up with no problem whatsoever. I like to start them up to make sure that they're good to go after, make sure we have no problems. As you can see on this truck, he is running a Hydra chip. We do have it in the 00 mode, which is the bypass mode. So the computer is listening to this device and not the Hydra. It's basically just sitting there at the moment. So as you guys can see, this is a very seamless installation, and it's really a very user-friendly product. If you guys have any questions about this, please drop them in the comment section below. If there's something I can't help you with, you can always reach out to Edge Products, or you can reach out to Jelibuilt Performance and he can get you set up. As always, guys, thank you for your attention on this. Great product. Again, just a quick overview. If somebody's looking for something that is a plug-and-play, a legitimate plug-and-play tuner for your truck, if you don't want to get involved with pulling computers and doing things like that, this is a solid option. As always, guys, check out jelibuiltperformance.com. This is where we got our product from, and we will look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. My name is Brandon. This is the 7-3 Garage. We'll see you next time.